Well, hello YouTube, D-Doc here. Today I'm replacing the heater valve on my 95 Voyager minivan. It's been leaking for a little bit of time. Finally sprung a real good leak the other day. And I decided to take it off and try to repair it. Well, in taking it off and trying to repair it, it just broke to pieces. So, that being said, the nipples for this hose and this hose were stuck in the hose. And I didn't like that too well. I had to get those pieces out. So I borrowed a hint from Wagner 59270. I took a pair of needle nose vice grips, cut some pieces of hose to fit down over them. And I use these as clamps to clamp below where the nipple was in there. Make sure that nothing of the broken pieces gets down into the line. Then I took a hammer and placed this down flat. I took the hammer and just busted those pieces up. Tapped them out of there, and whatever pieces that fell down in, used a pair of long needle nose pliers to grab those pieces out. Made sure everything's out and the hoses were clear of debris. And here I am now ready to assemble. So let's get to it. Make sure those hoses are completely up against the stops. Get a good grip on those clamps. Sliding them back up into place. Put my vacuum line back on before that final hose goes on. I'll get this down into place. Slide that last hose on. Put the last clamp in place. There we have it. Double check, make sure everything's hooked back into place where it needs to be. And there we're done. Now, some fluid loss occurred. So when I start up the engine, I'll let it circulate for a bit. And then I'll check the fluid level, make sure it's up to snuff. Ready to go.